guys, welcome back to another video. Today's another gardening day. It's a lot of work during the spring, so I just went to get some more mulch, and then I'm going to go home. There's one area in the garden that I was planning on doing, but then it's much harder because I have to do more weeding. So I've just decided that, this year I am just going to do the entire garden. So guys, I just picked up the mulch and I'm on my way home. So this is it.